This will be the first denim cell phone. Is the Redmi K90 Pro Max that Xiaomi is going to launch in a few days, but they have already anticipated some of its specifications. For example, in terms of design, Xiaomi has confirmed that this device will have a version with back cover made of denim in dark blue color, looking for classic and youthful style. In addition to this unique finish, it will have an intermediate metal frame, water and dust resistance with IP68 and IP69. Redmi has confirmed on screen that it will use the same M10 panel as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. It's a 6.9-inch OLED panel with 2K resolution, featuring independent pixel array technology for improved color, sharpness, and eye protection. It includes current dimming, not just pulse dimming, making it comfortable to use. It also comes with a special mode for a nit of brightness. However, make sure to pay very close attention because the audio quality will definitely be one of its most significant strengths. This is due to the fact that it will feature an impressive 2-auto one-channel sound system, combining both top and bottom speakers with a newly added rear speaker, which until now we hadn't seen in high-end smartphones. In this instance, it is also signed by Bose. If you're a big fan of cell phones, you probably know about the Nubia Music, which features a rear speaker. In its first generation, it was quite simple, but the second generation saw some improvements. However, it still doesn't quite compare to the Nubia Music. This Xiaomi proposal, since also in this case, signed by Bose, it will definitely have quality, especially exquisite in the bass. This back speaker maintains excellent water resistance and includes a feature for removing dust through vibration. As for the front camera, details are still lacking. However, regarding the rear cameras, we have official information. A triple system with 50 megapixels, utilizing the same primary sensor, Light Fusion 950. Sensor from the Xiaomi 17, plus ultra-wide angle with an OmniVision sensor, and for the first time on a Redmi, we will see a periscope telephoto lens with an ISOCELL JN5 sensor. Samsung's first camera with 5x optical zoom. Additionally, by trimming the sensor, we can definitely provide a digital 10x or perhaps something quite similar to it. Regarding the battery, it is anticipated to have a capacity of 7,500 mAh, making it extremely powerful. Additionally, it is expected to support a load of 100 watts via cable and 50 watts wirelessly. However, this has not been officially confirmed yet. What has been confirmed is that it will feature the extremely powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, along with a D2 graphics chip and an advanced ice cooling system measuring 6,700 square millimeters. It's likely to be highly appealing and might enter the global market under the Poco brand. Keep in mind that these Redmi devices are often rebranded for international release. The price is rumored to be around $600, though it hasn't been officially unveiled despite the brand confirming several features. The official launch in China is set for October 23rd. Share your thoughts on this denim phone with a Bose speaker. I'd love to hear what you think, so please leave your opinion in the comments. I believe this is one of the most intriguing proposals in a market that's often repetitive with similar features. It's refreshing to finally see something different and new.